Use this method to make textured chenille fabric. You can layer different colors for a fun effect, or even chenille within a specific shape. Lay the backing fabric wrong side up. Center the batting and several layers of fabric right side up on top of the backing fabric. Secure with basting pins or spray baste. If you stitch a shape like we did, you can remove any basting pins at this stage. Mark a center line using a pencil or tape. Then continue marking on either side 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch away. Chenille works best along the bias, so we're marking diagonally, aligning the 45-degree mark on the ruler along the top edge of the fabric. Sew through all layers along the marked lines. Using a walking foot or even feed mechanism will help prevent the layers from shifting. Using a small, sharp pair of scissors, make a 1/4 inch slit in the top layers near the edge of the channel. You'll want to leave the bottom layer of fabric intact. Insert the tip of the chenille cutter into the channel over the bottom layer and cut the top layers. Continue until all the channels have been cut. Run the chenilled quilt through the wash and dry cycle to fluff it up and get ready to snuggle.